With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, the question is, a network of resistance connected with R1, R2 as shown in figure. Clear? The potential at 1, 2, 3 and N are V1, V2, V3 and Vn respectively, each having the potential K times smaller than the previous one. Find. So we have to find this R1 by R2 into R2 by R3 in terms of K we have to find. Clear? Now, according to this question, it is given that this V1 is equal to what? This is the K times smaller. It means we can write V1 is equal to, according to this question, V1 is equal to V0 and divided by K. Clear? And V2 is equal to what? This is equal to V0 and divided by K square. And V3 is equal to V0 and divided by K to the power Q. And we can write Vn is equal to V0 and divided by K to the power N. This is given according to this question. So we have to find this. First we can find R1 by R2 ratio, then we can find R2 by R3 ratio, then we can find the product of these two. Clear? So I1 is equal to, let us consider this is what I current is passes through here. This is the I current. Clear? And this is what we can consider, this is what I1 and this is what I2 current in this branch. So this is what I2 current. It means from KCL we can write at this junction I is equal to I1 plus I2. Clear? So we can write I is equal to I1 and plus I2 we can write. Clear? This. Now we have to find I1 and I2. So I1 is equal to what? I1 is equal to potential difference divided by R1. So V2 minus V1 and divided by R1 is equal to what? This I1 we can write from here. From here we can write this I1 is equal to, we can see from Ohm's law, I1 is equal to V2 minus V1 and divided by, we can write this R1. This. Clear? Now from here we can write this V2 is equal to what? V0 by K square. So we can write V0 and by K square minus V1 is what? V0 by K. So this is what? V0 and divided by K we can write, and divided by, we can write this is what? R1. Clear? So from here we can write V0 by K we can take common. So we can take V0 and by K we can take common. So this is equal to what? 1 by K minus 1 and divided by what? R1. Clear? This. So this is what I1 we can consider. Similarly, we can find the I2 value, and this I2 value is what? From here we can see that I2 is equal to what? This potential of the ground is what? 0 volt. So this is what I2 equal to, we can write 0 minus V1 and divide by this R2. Clear? So from here we can write this is equal to 0 minus V1 and divided by, we can write this R2. And V1 we can write this is equal to minus V0 and divided by K we can write, and divided by, we can write R2. Clear? This. Now this is equal to, we can see from here, minus V0 and divided by, we can write K into R2. This. Clear? This is what? I2. And I is equal to, similarly we can find this I value. So I is equal to what? From here we can see that I is equal to V minus V0. This is what? V0. So V1 minus V0 and divide by R1. This is equal to what? I. So I is equal to, we can write V1 minus V0 and divided by, we can write this is what? R1. So this is equal to, again V1 equal to what? V naught by K minus we can write V naught and divided by we can write this is what R1 this. Now from here we can see that this is equal to V naught we can take common. So V naught and divided by we can write R1 into 1 by K minus 1 this. So this is what we can say I. Now from this equation I is equal to I1 plus I2. So from here we can write I is equal to, so I is equal to what? This. So we can write here from first equation. So from first equation we can see that this is equal to I is equal to V naught and divided by R1 into we can write 1 by K minus 1 and equal to we can write I1 plus I2. So I1 is equal to what? From here we can write V naught and divided by K into R1 into 1 by K and minus 1 and I2 is equal to what? Minus V naught and divided by we can write K into R2 this. So from here we can write K. So we can write from here we can transpose this into the left side. So we can write V naught and divided by K into R2 is equal to, we can transpose this in the right side. So from here we can write V naught and divided by K into R1 into 1 by K minus 1 we can write minus V naught and divided by R1 into 1 by K minus 1 we can write this. Now from here we can see that this V naught and divided by we can write K into R2 is equal to, we can take common and we can take this V naught and divided by we can take R1 into K minus 1 by K minus 1 we can take common. So from here we can take common 1 by K minus 1 we can take common. So this is equal to, we can see from here 1 by K and minus 1 this. Clear? So from here we can write this is equal to V naught and divided by we can write K into R2 and this is equal to V naught by R1 into 1 by K minus 1 this whole square we can write. Clear? So from here we can see that this V naught and V naught cancel out to each other. So R1 by R2 is equal to what? We can write K into 1 by K minus 1 whole square we can write. Clear? From here. So from here we can say that this is equal to K into 1 minus K and divided by K whole square we can write. Clear? Now from here we can write this is equal to 1 minus K whole square and divided by K we can write. Clear? So this is what R1 and divided by this R2 ratio is this. Clear? Similarly we have to find the R2 and R3 ratio. Clear? So how we can find the R2 and R3 ratio? So we can see in the figure. So in figure we can see that from here we can find this R2 and R3 ratio. So we can see that I1 current is flowing from here. Let us consider this is what I1. So I1 current also flowing here. We can see this is the same path in series, this R1 and R3 in series. So if I1 current is passing through the R1, so this same I1 current will pass through the R3. Clear? Now from here and I1 is equal to, we can write this is what Vn is here. Here is a Vn. Clear? So from here we can write this I1 is equal to what? Vn minus Vn minus 1 and divide by R1. So I1 is equal to, we can write from here this is the Vn minus Vn minus 1 and divided by we can write R1. And from here we can write I1 is equal to 0 minus Vn and divided by what? R3 we can write, clear, and the both current are same. So from here we can write this I1 is equal to what we can see from here, Vn divided by, we can write Vn minus 1, sorry, so Vn minus 1, Vn minus 1 and divided by, we can write this is the R1 is equal to, we can write 0 minus Vn and divided by, we can write this is what R3 we can write this. Now Vn is equal to what, again we can write this is equal to V naught and divided by k to the power n we can write, clear, minus this Vn is equal to what, V naught and divided by k to the power n minus 1 we can write, and divided by, we can write this is what R1 is equal to, we can write minus V naught and divided by k to the power n and divided by, we can write this is what R3 we can write, clear. Now so V naught we can take common and cancel out to each other. So from here we can write, and from here we can take common 1 by k to the power n minus 1 we can take common in numerator. So this is equal to what, 1 by k we can write minus 1 we can write this, and divided by, we can write this is what R1 is equal to, we can write this is equal to minus 1 by k to the power, we can write n into R3 we can write, clear. Now from here we can see that this is equal to 1 by k minus 1 and divided by, we can write this is the k to the power n minus 1 and R1 is equal to, we can write minus 1 divided by, we can write this is equal to k to the power n and R3 we can write, clear. Now we can say this is k to the power n minus 1 and here k to the power this n. So we can write this is equal to 1 by, we can write this is equal to 1 by k minus 1 and divided by, we can write this is what R1 this is equal to minus 1 and divided by, we can write k we can write because k to the power n here and k to the power n here. So we can see k remains here. So R3 we can write, clear. Now from here we can see that this is equal to 1 minus k and divided by, we can write k into R1 is equal to minus 1 and we can write this is equal to k into R3 we can write. So from here we can see that this k and k cancel out to each other, this and k. So 1 minus k and divided by this R1 is equal to minus 1 and divided by R3 we can write, clear. Now from here we can see that R3 is equal to, we can write R3 into 1 minus k into 1 minus k is equal to minus R1 we can write, clear this. Now we have to find the ratio this in terms of R2 and R3. So from here we can see that this R1 is equal to, from this first relation, from here we can write R1 is equal to R2 into 1 minus k whole square and divided by k, this, clear. Now this value we have to put here. So this is equal to 1 minus k into R3 is equal to minus, this can be written as R2 into 1 minus k whole square and divided by, we can write this is what k we can write, clear. So from here we can see that, so from here we have to find the R2 by this R1 ratio. So from here we can write, yes, so R2 and divided by R1, R2 by R3 we can write, clear. So R2 by R3, R2 and divided by, we can write R3 is this. So R2 and divided by R3 is equal to, we can see from here, K into 1 minus K, and divided by, this is equal to, a minus is also here. So divided by, we can write 1 minus K whole square. This we can see. Clear? Now from here we can see the R2 and divided by R3 is equal to, we can write minus K, and divided by, we can write 1 minus K, we can write this. Clear? So this can be written as this. So this is what R2 by R3 ratio. Now finally we have to find according to question R2 and divided by, R1 by R2. So we have to find R1 by R2 into, we have to find R2 by R3. This we have to find. So this is equal to, we can see R1 by R2 is equal to what? This is equal to 1 minus K whole square, and divided by, we can write K, this. And this R2 by R3 is equal to what? Minus K, and divided by, we can write 1 minus K, this. So from here we can see that this K and K cancel out to each other. So this is equal to minus 1 minus K. Clear? Now finally we can write this is equal to, K minus 1. So this R1 by R2 into R2 by R3 is equal to what? We can write this is what? K minus 1 we can write. So this is equal to K minus 1. This. Clear? So this is the required answer for this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.